friends, it's Stephanie with Savvy Girl Saves. Happy Mini Monday. So if you're as excited as I am about this video, give it a big thumbs up right now so you don't forget to do it later. All right, so as we discussed in my last Mini Monday, which was so much fun, by the way, because we cleared things out. We rearranged it a little bit. We have a new binder. Well, it's not new. You know, I love the cherries. It's not new. It's just new to like this. I didn't have a reason for it, but I bought it because I like cherries, and it was like, oh, there's only 2 left. So FOMO. So I also made some new dashboards, and I have 6 challenges in here. So we're just gonna do 1 through 6. Some of them are written on the back, but we're not gonna follow that because I kind of reworked my budget this weekend. Between last week and this weekend, sat down with my husband, like, what are we doing? Where do we want to go? What do we want to put where? You know, just sit down, regroup, reconnect. And I think this is going to stick for a while. So I'm working with $50 this week. I usually do 150 to 200, but that extra 100 to 200 is getting saved into like the funds that really need the money right now. And then this is what we're going to play with. This is going to be like the sinking funds that are my spending, his spending, like Mets games, like the fun stuff that we don't need to save as aggressively for right now. But, you know, we'll see how it goes. So I'm super excited about this. I got this on Amazon, and I made these. So I don't know, maybe I'll put them in my coffee shop. You guys like the cherries? So let's get going. I got 5, 10, 15, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. All right, we got $50. We got some hot 5s. So spicy 5s, no hot 10s this week. You know, like he wants a new golf club. So that needs to be saved for like now, not in 2 months when the challenge is finished kind of thing. And my son, we're saving something for my son. And like, you know what I'm saying? Does that make sense? Like, I want to play with what I could play with, but what needs to be done, also what needs to be done. So we're going to roll a 3-sided die. And I also got this on Amazon. They are kind of pricey. I know some of you have been looking for 3-sided dice. I think I paid $12 for 4 of them, but you know what? I wanted it, and pink was the only color I could find, so whatever, I got it. Let's get going. There are 2 challenges in here from last week that we didn't finish, and then the rest of these are all new. So I'm going to roll a 3-sided die. I'm going to start at number 1, and this die will tell me how many bills go into each challenge. So let's get going. All right, 1, 2, 3. So how was everyone's weekend? How was your Father's Day? I didn't get to see my dad on Father's Day. My brother and his wife and my nephew, they were camping, and my dad went with them. We didn't even realize that it was Father's Day weekend. So he's like, oh my God, I feel so bad. Dad, I can see you all the time. I see you twice a week. I don't need to actually see you on that day. It would have been nice, but whatever. It's totally fine. So we'll just go out to brunch or something next week and have a re-Father's Day. But what's cool is that there'll be less people around. Because if you know me, I get peopled out pretty quickly. That's a number 1. So we'll just go out to brunch or something later. I got him this really cute, it's a baseball card. We're a hockey family. 100% hockey family. My dad, my brother, my uncles, my cousins. I was a figure skater, like we were winter sports. But my husband is all baseball. So that's where the baseball comes in. But anyway, but I got my dad this baseball card. You can custom make it. And, oh, I should get it. But you know what? It's all sealed up. And it's a picture of an adult with 2 little kids. So I did my dad's hockey number and Pepe, because he's Pepe. And then my nephew's name and his age, and my son and his age. So it's like 19, Jeremy, and then Carter is 3, and my dad with his number, and this is the whole baseball card. It's all about the family. I'm so excited to give it to him. Like, what do you give the person who already has everything? Like, what do you give him? He doesn't need anything. He's 70 years old. You know what he needs is new tires for his bike. But that's kind of a personal thing. Whatever. Anyway, so I got him that cute little gift. And I'm excited to give it to him, but we'll see him next week. Not a big deal. I see him all the time anyway. All right, we rolled a 2, but I had number 1. Oh, and number 6 was last. So let me grab a paper clip, and we will put it on number 1. Let's see how we did. So how was your Father's Day? Did you celebrate? I'm happy for those of you who got to see your family and celebrate. And apologize to all the peeps who struggle with dads. My son is in a position that he struggles with dad, doesn't really see his dad. My dad is his dad, my husband is his dad, kind of thing. So anyway, my heart goes out to those who struggle that day, and my heart goes out to those who got to celebrate that day. Anyway, no more of that. Let's see what this one got. This is from Creative Ink Scribbles on Etsy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we can do a 6. This is a save 50 when it's done. Is there anything on the back here? Yeah, we're gonna just cross this off. We'll cross them off as we go. So we got 6. We got a rollover in here. I did condense everything. And when I have a rollover, I like to fold it in half and put it in the front. All right, number 2. I just want to make sure we were still recording. All right, number 2 is Savings with Tracy. And this one got 5. Ooh, we got 2 5s. 5, 10, 11, 12. Sweet. Let's not mess this up because you know how Stephanie is with math. This is a save 63. So what did I say we got? 12, 5, 10, 11, 12. So let's do 4 and 5 is 9. And a 3 is 10, 11, 12. Perfect. Savings with Tracy. Oh my God. She just put out a ding, ding, ding bag. So, let me stop and show you real quick. I ordered 2, but we all put our challenges in these bags, but then she has this ding, ding, ding that you can order. Well, she put the ding, ding, ding on the bag. Like what? So I put 2 in my cart because I want one for me, even though I love my cherry bag. I love Savings with Tracy and I love LOOOOVE and I love all that jazz. So I ordered 2, one for me, and I'm going to have a 500 subscriber giveaway, and that is going to be part of it. And I'm going to put some challenges inside it. But if you want one and you ain't got one, go over to Savings with Tracy and get you some. All right, this is Norella's Budgets. It's her group play. She puts one out every month, but I think it was a pack of 3. So Norella's Budgets, it was her birthday month. I think it was the 5th or the 6th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't think there's anything written on here. Nope. So we're going to have each 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each one as $1. It is hot here. It is hot here. There's not very much going on outside. I know y'all like to hear the birds. Not much going on outside. All right, this is Mrs. Oh my God, it's so small. MrsNeat.net, but she's Mrs. Neat on Etsy. I don't think she's on YouTube, but there's a whole year. I want to say it was like $2. Aren't these adorable? 1, 2, 3, 4, and I got 4. So let's cross off the chair. All right, there we go for number 4. And let's see, number 5. Holy moly. Got some dingy dollars in there. What's going on? Number 5 is also a June. So we're going to make each popsicle, let's do $3 because we got 1, 2, and 3. This is from Buttercup Budgets. All right, let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow. So let's see. 3, 6, 9, 12. There we go. That took care of the popsicles. All right, we got those. And we got here, and the last one, number 6, is Sarah Saves 07. She does these sarcastic monthlies, like January was like winter socks or cold socks or something like that. But they're really funny. You can get them on her Ko-fi. They're also for free. June, Finally the Sun. Well, I don't know about that because it has rained like 13 consecutive Saturdays in a row here. That's what's happening. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, we got a 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. And we're going to make each sun $1. So let's put that here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that's adorable. I love pineapples too. Not to eat, but to see. Like the pineapple saying is stand tall, wear a crown, tough on the outside, sweet on the inside, something like that. Be a pineapple. All right, that's it, friends, for our mini Mondays. So I think this is going to stick. I really like the idea of just the 6. The 12 seemed like it took forever, and it took a lot of money. And, I reworked, like I said, I reworked everything. So I'm going to be doing a video with because now all the binders are set and ready to go. Dashboards are set and ready to go. They're full of cash and ready to go. So I'm going to film all my binders because y'all want to see that. And I'm super excited, super excited about Tiny Tuesdays. Oh my God, what's this? Oh, sneak peek. I'm so excited. I saw someone doing Ann Budgets, and oh my God, I can't remember the rest of her channel. Ann Budgets and something. Oh my God, I feel horrible. Whatever. I'll tag her below, but I loved the way she did Tiny Tuesdays, and I'll explain more when I get into the videos. But anyway, thank you so much for spending some of your time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a great day. See you soon. Stay savvy. Peace.